Hello, competition grant applicants. I am assuming the role of one of you for this instructional video. Um, when you first log in, you're going to see this screen. If you haven't logged in before, and that has these green boxes that says applicant or reviewer. Right now, since you are reviewing, you're going to want to click reviewer, which will take you here. If for some reason you don't see that screen when you log in with the two green boxes, you can come up to your name here and click this arrow next to your name and switch to reviewer if you're logged in as an applicant by default. Um, when you get to your account, you'll see how many reviews you have to complete. For most of you, that will be 3, unless you're completing reviews on behalf of multiple applicants. That way, each application will be reviewed 3 times. I'm going to push start so that you can see what this process looks like. You'll come in here and you'll see the applications you've been assigned to review. You'll notice that the applicant's name is listed here. That is so that if you know them, you can just click this little flag right here, and that's labeled conflict of interest. And then I will reassign that to someone else. To start the review process, you're going to come to this green start button right here and click start. And this is a summary of information. That's not really what you need. So you're going to come to this application section and you can scroll past the eligibility questions. I've already taken care of those. To the application itself. Once you look over the application, the rubric is right here. And it has some kind of general guidelines of what categories might look like. So school request description, a 0 would be none of the STEM competitions are approved by the STEM Action Center. 10 would be STEM competitions the school is involved in are all approved by the STEM Action Center. The description of the request is clear and well thought out. So on this approved competitions note, we have a list of competitions. The competition does not have to be on that list to be considered. Many of you contacted me asking, hey, there's this competition that isn't listed on your list. Is that okay? And my answer to that is, if it is rigorous and worthwhile, then yes, that's totally fine. We definitely want to support it. It is up to the reviewers to determine whether they deem this competition to be worthwhile. So if you see something that's not on the list, just do a little bit of digging online or wherever, or honestly, you guys are probably more familiar with these competitions than I am, so you might already know whether it's a worthwhile competition or not. Use your best judgment and score it accordingly. And it doesn't have to be one of these that has a description. You can score it as an 8 or a 9 or wherever you think it falls on the scale. As you go through, you'll see a lot of just a few different things. These rubric items should be answered in this document. So we've got this handy side-by-side view, so please go back and refer to the application. If there are any comments you want to make, you can do that here as part of your review. If there are notes that you want to give just to me, so these comments will go to the applicant about their application. If there are notes you want to leave just for me, you can do that in this notes section right here. Once you have completed the review, you're going to click Mark as complete, and it will take you back to the main page with all of your assignments, and you can just do that for all 3 of those, and you'll be done. If you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to reach out to me at cames@utah.gov. Thanks for your efforts.